to Studio Hackz. Today we're going to talk about the codec system inside of Streamliner from Plugin Alliance and Adapter Audio. Have you ever wondered how your masters sound on major platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube? Well, this tool will show you exactly how they sound on them. We're using the song by Nakeem, and the reference files for it can be found down below. You won't be able to hear the difference in sound since this video is uploaded to a system with a codec on it, but we still wanted you to be able to hear the differences between them. So Streamliner is a tool used to take the guesswork out of finding how masters sound on different platforms. By emulating the codec of different services, you'll be able to hear how your song sounds on them. Generally, you want to put Streamliner at the end of your master chain after you limit and do all your other mastering processing. This way it can analyze your full finished song. Streamliner gives us our target LUTs for each platform, which is handy when you're preparing your track as well. Here we're using it on our print track. With this, we're able to monitor how it sounds, but it's not changing the sound of the actual print underneath it. We're going to take a look at 3 different codecs. Always make sure your codec is turned on and armed via this button right here. The first one we're going to look at is YouTube. YouTube offers 3 settings based on which quality you play the file back at: low, medium, and high. Next one we're going to look at is Spotify. Similarly, Spotify gives us 3 options: premium for the paid option, free for the free one, and mobile for mobile users. The last service we're going to look at briefly is Apple Music. Apple Music doesn't have a free option, so the 2 options are mobile and standard. Now there are other options for other codecs like SoundCloud, Tidal, and Bandcamp, as well as others, so if you need them, they're there for you. We typically use other tools for monitoring loudness and other analytics, but Streamliner does offer the ability to see things such as LUFS, dynamic range, LRA, crest factor, mid-side, and others. The target goal for loudness depends on the song you're doing, but for pop and rap music, we shoot from -7 to -6.5. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you're curious about Streamliner at all, if you want to know more, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a serendipitous studio session today.